felt like yeah.
Sometimes. All right, this is a debate as old as time for anybody who's ever enjoyed salugs, Filipino or not. How do you like your eggs with your salug? Comment below on how you prefer your eggs. For me, it's sunny side up. I always think that, I mean, I enjoy a good scramble, but I like sunny side up so we can get the yolk going on with the fried rice and mixed with all of the ulam and whatever you're gonna do.
Same.
Kuya Adobo, what is your opinion? How do you like your egg with your salug?
You gotta have sunny side up.
Sunny side up.
Get all the, like you said, get all the yolk in the rice, you know?
Yes, sir.
It adds flavor.
What was it? Sunny side up, but extra crispy on the side.
Okay. What kind of egg?
Wet.
I knew you were fucking thinking about this, dude. All right.
Just kidding. Definitely sunny side up.
Mm-hmm.
Two ways: over easy or a hard fry.
Ooh, that's new.
Well, you see that mostly like at Asian restaurants.
Yeah.
Like you go to like a Vietnamese restaurant, they do the hard fry in the bottom and the top still sunny side up.
We're gonna call this segment "Camping and Cooking with Kuya Adobo." What we got cooking today, sir?
Making some rice. You know, everything goes with rice.
Yep. It is morning, so I'm assuming we're gonna make some salugs today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What you got going for our protein today?
It's a surprise, bro.
Oh, okay. Surprise from Kuya Adobo. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Right here, bro. This one.
Yes, sir. Here we go. That's the one. You mind if I test it out?
Money.
You mind if I test it out? All right. Let's see. Let's do the check.
Money, bro.
Why'd you lick your fingers first?
This is the one. That's right. We good. Yeah. We good. Doing camping and cooking with Kuya Adobo. We got the garlic fried rice, longanisa, tocino. Are we doing idlug today or no? Oh,
yeah.
Dude, we're doing the full salug setup. I'm super excited.
Can't have salug with no salug, bro.
Exactly. I don't even know why that's even a question. But one of my most favorite things in the world is when people cook for me, man. It's an amazing thing, and it's such a gift for me, and I appreciate that we're doing a little camping and cooking. Doing this right before I head back to the Philippines, I think this is perfect. This is a perfect way to send me off, to leave America for, man, I'm probably gonna be gone for almost a year. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Camping and cooking with Kuya Adobo. Let's go. Smelling hella good. Okay, Rose bought the skinless longanisa. Is this pork or chicken? Chicken. Oh, dude. I love me some chicken tocino and longanisa, bro. I'm excited. We got the canyon almost ready. I can smell it. I'm excited.
Jay.
Let's go.
We're almost there, bro. We ain't going hungry today like last time.
All right, y'all. Magandang umaga, maya baba. Good morning. Buenos. What's good morning in Spanish? Buenos dias?
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Breakfast is ready. Kuya Adobo has hooked it up with a perfect Filipino breakfast while camping. So I'm gonna start off with some fried rice I got over here. Okay. So we got the fried rice right there. If y'all can see, look at that. I wish you could smell this. I wish y'all could smell how fragrant and garlicky it is. We need to get a fork. And then we got some skinless longanisa. I'm gonna go with the lawat today. And then I'm gonna
more than that, bro.
Yeah? Okay, we're gonna go tatlo then.
Yeah.
Tatlong piraso. We got the chicken tocino ready to go on tap. Dude, this smells amazing. As you can hear in the background, we're also at this camping spot is where you can shoot and camp at the same time. Once again, I wish I could share this spot with you, but you know, we can't have this place flooded. So sorry. I know a lot of you guys were asking like where in the comments where this place is. If you subscribe, I'll tell you. All right, let's get some eggs. Let's get some eggs. Hold up. All right. It's not a slug without some eggs.
Got you, bro. Right here. Put it in the bottom right there.
There we go.
Boom.
My guy. And to answer the question for this video today, I think the perfect slug deserves a sunny side and or over easy egg. Scrambled is cool, hard boiled's alright, but really it ain't a slug if it's not sunny side up or over easy 100%. Like this. All right, I know I just had some slugs last week or this week for the video, but can you ever have too many slugs? Okay, so key thing when you're having slugs, you gotta crack that egg over the garlic rice. I feel like that's super important. And then you just go to town. That's it. I'm telling you, being outdoors gives like 20 extra points to this slug. None like it. So good. Shout out to Kuya and Adobo for making fire ass tocino. And kind of longanisa. Oh, this is amazing.
It's not gonna work out if I do.
All that's missing is my wife and my son. Bro, this is fire, bro. I gotta ask, how do you rate your performance today? How's your slug?
I think it's like a 7.
7?
Yeah. You know why? Because I'm missing I'm missing the vinegar and the Filipino ketchup.
Oh, okay.
Our American friend brought us some American ketchup.
Fucking Jeff, dude.
Yeah.
On his behalf, we were in the Nugget. We were in the Nugget. I'm going for seconds. Hella good.
I want to hear this.
Hey, if you gotta go, you gotta go, right? Tell me about the attachments you have for this bathroom. You have some butt wipes?
I got the 9mm cottontail flushable wipes.
Let's go.
And I got that 22. always necessity.
Hey, be safe in there.
Range necessities.
Range day necessities, for sure. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.